दो मैं नमस्कार ना।
हरि ओम। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसार परमां आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं अभयदाम् जाड्यान्धकारापहाम् हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम् येनाक्षरसमां नायो निर्गम्यो महेश्वर कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीये प्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। आयौ ह्रीं ह्रीं एओ ऐऔ हयवर नं यमगणनं झवयं घडदश जबगणदश खपचथचटतौ कपय हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि।
Okay, Guruji. Okay.
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि। Okay. So where we are?
We are the mukha nasika.
Mukhanasiko Vachananunasika.
Yeah.
Is this? Okay. So where we are?
Nasika nasika. Yeah. Mukha nasika.
Mukhanasiko Vachananunasika.
Yeah.
Is this? Okay.
It doesn't sound good, Deji. You're not doing air?
So here we came to know that this re will not be dirgha, and
Yeah.
this h means AOIO will not be harsha. That's what the special thing we learned from this sutra. And here the one thing also we learned that a, e, u, re, these all four will be 18 kind of, and these 18 kind of means this re, okay, later it will come, that's not a problem. So a is of 18 kind of, and e also, u also. Got the point? 18 kind.
A, E,
U.
U, and Re. Re.
Can you see in your book the second line of the book, second line of this sutra in commentary? See there. It's written here. A, E, U, Re, Esham Varnanam Pratekam Ashtadasha Bhedaha. Means A, E, U, Re. These are these letters, these vowels will be having 18 types.
Yes.
That's the thing. Okay. And Re will not have dirgha and H will not have harsha. That's what we learned. Okay.
So H will not have.
So now we are moving to the next sutra. Okay. You have to pronounce that sutra with me. When I will be pronouncing, you have to also pronounce. If you are not able to pronounce it well, that's not a problem. At least I'll come to know that what is the problem in your pronunciation and which letter you are pronouncing wrong. But you should pronounce. That's the concern.
Yes.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya pratinam lam
Savarnam. Tulyasya. Just do it like this. Just break it. Tulyasya prayatnam.
Tulyasya pratinam.
Tulyasya prayatnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam.
Savarnam.
Savarnam.
Yeah. Can you call it?
Tulyasya prayatnam.
Savarnam. Tulyasya prayatnam 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 savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam swarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. 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 Is it okay with you?
Yes. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Yeah.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. Tulyasya prayatnam
Savarnam. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam.
Okay.
Tulyasya
Okay, it's
prayatnam
okay.
savarnam.
So here we see, first we see the how many padas are there in the sutra. So we can see that Tulyasya prayatnam is a pada which is having prathama ekvachanam, which is having prathama ekvachan, and other one is Savarnam, which also have Prathama Ekvachan. And the number for Sutra in Ashtadhyay is first chapter, first pada and ninth Sutra. This is first chapter, this is first pada, and this is ninth Sutra. Sutra Karmanka. So what is this sutra? Call it now.
Pronounce it.
Yeah.
Tulyasya Pratanam.
Tulyasya Priyatnam
Tulyasya
Savarnam.
Priyatnam Savarnam. Tulyasya Priyatnam Savarnam. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. Savarnam.
So this sutra is Sanja Sutra. The sutra is, I told you na, sutras, many kind of sutras are there. This is Sanja Sutra. Okay. And do you know the definition of Sanja Sutra?
Yes, it's the name.
No. Just try to remember or memorize this one. I'm just writing Shakti. This is the definition for Sanja Sutra or Lakshana for Sanja Sutra. Niyamakam Sutram Sanja Sutram. Shakti Niyamakam Sutram Sanja Sutram. That's it. You just need to remember it as it is and don't ask me any question about it.
What it means. That's what I was thinking.
You don't need to know. It's talking about Shakti Niyamakam Sutram Sanja Sutram. That's it. Let me go further now. The sutra meaning Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam is not the whole sutra meaning, but I am just giving you the small idea or a briefing for the sutra, that letters which have the same asya. See, Tulya Asya means same asya. I am just breaking it down. It is Tulya, wait. Tulya means same. It is Asya. Asya means Mukha.
Okay.
Mukha means mouth. And it's not talking about mouth. It's talking about the places inside mouth.
Okay.
The places. Okay. Means sthan. Asya means sthan or places. Inside mouth. Shall I erase this? Shakti Niyamakam Sutram Sanja Sutram?
Yeah.
So the sutra is saying that letters which have the same asya, means which has the same places inside mouth, and priyatna means abhyantar priyatna, something for calling some letter, we pronounce something, some sound created outside. See, when some letters is we are trying, we are saying ka, kha. So before this sound come out, something is happening inside also.
Yes. Yes.
You got the point?
Yeah.
And after that, something is happening, some sound is coming outside only.
Yeah.
We listen it from outside.
Yeah.
So there are two things. One is something is happening inside, and there is something which we are listening that is outside.
Yeah.
That outside is called abhyantar priyatna.
Abhyanta.
Priyatna. No. That is called. See. That is Abhyatar Priyatna is that is which is inside.
Which is coming from.
Yeah, inside only. Yeah, inside only. The outside is Bahya Priyatna. Outside is Bahya Priyatna.
Will I write it in some?
Yeah, I'm just writing. See. First, just the briefing of this sutra, I'm writing it down. Okay. Later, I'll give you the idea about. I'll give you in detail for each pada. So I'm just writing letters or these alphabets which have the same place or same asya, same asya. I'm just writing. Purposely I'm writing asya. Same asya means the same place inside mouth. Same asya means
same place
inside
mouth.
Places are there, na? See, talu is there.
Murda is
Kantha
there.
is also inside.
Yeah.
Murda is there. These are the places. And there are two things. One is letters which have the same places, and what else they should have? Priyatna. Priyatna means this one. Abhyantar Priyatna. Are grouped as Savarna. Just a small idea about the sutra. What this sutra want to say. Now we'll go to
Are grouped as. So it's letters
so
or alphabet.
let's go to the vritti of the sutra.
The
So here in commentary or in vritti of the sutra, you see the first pada of the first line. Talvadi sthanam abhyantar piratnascheta etad dvayam. I'm just breaking it just for your convenience. Talvadi sthanam, you call it? Talvadi sthanam
Talvadi sthanam
abhyantar priyatnascha
priyatnascha
etad
etad
apriyatnascha iti
iti
etad dvayam.
etadvayam.
Yeah. Can you just try it?
Oh God. Okay.
Try, no problem.
Talvadi swarna
Talvadi sthanam
Talvadi sthanam
abhyantar priyatn
abhyanta priyatnam
priyatnascha abhyantar priyatnascha chetyeta, or you can just call it by breaking the sandhi. Iti etad dvayam.
iti etad dvayam. Iti.
Shall I break this one on board?
Yeah, because it's very long. It's not only two. It's like a lot
Okay,
of
I just break. No, first I ask you whether I should break or not, then only.
Talwadi.
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 Talwadi sthanam.
Talwadi Sthanam.
Talwadi sthanam.
Talwadi Sthanam.
Abhyantar.
Bya.
Abhyantar.
Abhyantar. Oh God. Talwantar.
Talwadi sthanam abhyantar prayatna
Talwadi Sthanam Abhyantam Priyatna.
cha iti
Cha iti.
etadvayam.
Etadvayam. I gotta write it.
Yasya. I am breaking whole line. Yasya yena. I am writing whole line. Yasya yena tulyam. Tatmitham. Tatmitha. Mitha. Not mitham. Mitha. Tatmitha. Savarna sanjam syat.
The pretty is very long for this one. How about you?
Yeah, this is very important sutra. Very long.
I'll take a picture of it so then I can complete it at home.
So here Talwadi sthanam means there are many places inside. So out of these he's talking about Talwadi sthanam means Talu. We will talk about some Talu, Murdha, Kantha. These all sthan we will talk in next line. So he's talking about some places inside our mouth, inside this portion. Okay, here only. So Talwadi sthanam means that. Abhyantar priyatna cha iti etadvayam. The same thing he is saying what I have written before. That letters which have the same asya and priyatna are grouped as savarna. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what he is saying in this big pada. Talvadi sthanam abhyantar priyatna cha means talvadi sthanam is one thing and abhyantar priyatna is second thing. Okay. Cha is there, no? See,
Yes.
it means this and this. Got it?
Yeah.
These both should be etadvayam. Etadvayam na? For both. Dvayam means both. Etadvayam. These two, etadvayam. Yasya. Yasya means for which.
For which?
For which. Yasya Of which, not for which, of which, of which, of which. येन तुल्यम by which. It's a tritya na. येन तुल्यम tat mithaha savarna sanjah syat. That's what he is talking about. In bracket, can you see something
Yes.
written in bracket? So what do we read in this book? What is written in bracket? I told you earlier, if you remember.
Divritti.
Not Divritti, that is Vartik. In bracket you will also see Vartik.
Yes, the Vartik, the other person who writes it. Like
Yeah, who is that other
Patanjali.
person?
He's a
Always you
rishi.
tell, always other person.
He's one of the
What
three
is the name
rishis.
of that other person? That you tell me.
Vartika.
Vararuchi. Vararuchi or Katyayan. That other person is
One
Vararuchi or
Katyayan.
So what is written there in bracket? Can you just pronounce it, or you can try to pronounce?
Yes. It's Shri Livarna.
Real re varnayor mithaha. Real re varnayor mithaha. Savarnam vachyam. Real re varnayor. Pronounce real re varnayor. Real re varnayor. Real re varnayor. Try to pronounce it like this. See, re, then re, then varna, yo, and try to pronounce like this. Varna yor, mithaha. I am just breaking it. Real re varna yor mithaha. Mithaha savarnam vachyam.
Varnayor
Savarnam vachyam.
Varnayor
Savarnam vachyam. Real re varnayo.
Varnayor Mitaha.
Real re varnayor mithaha savarnam vachyam. The English for this, it has to be said that it has to be said that Revarna and Revarna are Revarna and Revarna are Savarna to each other. Means they are similar type. Savarna, similar type. Savarna to each other. Means re and re, these both vowels will be similar kind, or you can say both belong to the same family. That's what they called Savarna. If somebody is using their, like somebody is saying they are, you say there are some surnames, Sarmaj, Varmaj, you know Indian surnames?
Yeah.
Sharmaj, Varmaj. So means they belong to the Sharma family or they belong to the Varma family. So these real belong to the same family. They are Savarna. Okay, they are similar. Fine. That's what they. Now the question is, what does it mean by Vartikah? Vartikah basically this is in bracket. Every time you will see something in bold, that is sutra, and something written below the sutra, that is vritti, and in that vritti sometime, not always, sometime you will see something, some statement is available in bracket, that is called vartik. If some statement is available in some bracket, that is called vartik. I am just writing. It's like that, vartikam. This is double ta, okay, like this, vartikam. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. 1/2 and 1 whole.
And I am giving the definition of Vartik also. I gave you the definition of Sutra very first day. Can you just? No, it's not. You have not remembered, no?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
I'll get it.
You'll get it next year. That I know. Next year. No? Okay. After studying, no? Now I am giving you the definition for Vartikam. I'll be doing my duty properly. That's your duty. If you do, you'll learn. If you don't do, then you will learn. You will also learn, but you will learn later. Vartikam. I'm giving the definition for Vartikam also. Nobody will teach you the definition of Vartikam. I'm telling you very frankly.
No.
95% Vyakaran teachers will not tell you these small things. Because I'm not saying they don't know. They know, but they will skip. So I am telling you the small things also, so that you can note them down in your copy.
Yeah.
Or you can just remember them, memorize them all the time. So I am just writing down the definition of Vartikam also. Okay? That Vartikam Ukta, and you have to remember that. Ukta Nuyukta Duruktanam. So that your pronunciation, see, more Sanskrit you will read, your pronunciation will become better now.
Yes. Vartikam.
Ukta,
Ukta.
Ukta Nukta,
Ukta. Ukta no. No. Ukta no.
Ukta Nukta, Duruktanam. Ukta Nukta Duruktanam. Ukta Nukta Duruktanam. Chant it. Ukta Nukta Duruktanam.
Ukta Nukta Duruktanam.
Ukta Nukta Duruktanam. Chinta Yatra Pravartate.
Chinta
Yatra Pravartate. Ukta Nukta Duruktanam. Chinta Yatra Pravartate.
Ukta Yukta Duruktanam.
Chinta Yatra Pravartate.
Chinta Yatra Pravartate.
Pravartate. Ukta Nukta Duruktanam. Chinta Yatra Pravartate. Tam Grantham Vartikam Prahu.
Tam Grantham Prahirar.
Tam Grantham.
Tam Grantham Prahirar.
Tam Grantham Vartikam.
Tam Grantham Vartikam.
Tam Grantham Vartikam Prahuru. Prahu. Prahu.
Prahu. Tam Grantham Vartikam Prahu. Tam Grantham Vartikam Prayuhu. Prahuhu. Vartikangya.
Vartikajya. Vivakshanaha. Vichakshanaha. 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 उक्तानुक्त दुरुक्तानां उक्तानुक्त दुरुक्तानां चिंता यत्र प्रवर्तते तम ग्रंथम वार्तिकम प्राहुः वार्तिकज विचक्षणाः वार्तिकज विचक्षणाः
उक्तानुक्ता दुरुक्तानाम्
उक्तानुक्त दुरुक्तानां चिंता यत्र प्रवर्तते
चिंता यत्र
प्रवर्तते
चिंता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तम ग्रंथम वार्तिकम प्राहुः वार्तिकम प्राहुः वार्तिकज विचक्षणाः
वार्तिकजा विचक्षणाः.
Have you noted it down?
Not everything.
Note down. Note down.
Chinta yatra tham grantam Vartikam Prahuhu.
Actually, this visarga card, na? Who. This is who, and again this visarga is called.
Prahuhu. Varti. Bija. How you say the last one, Guruji?
Vichakshana.
Vichakshana.
It's like this.
Vichakshanaha. Yeah, that's it, Guruji.
That's it. Remember these things and try to memorize it and come tomorrow.
Om
Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.